Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arafat Brugema. I'm currently a fresh graduate from Southern New Hampshire University, and what I'm about to tell you right now is extraordinary because it has never happened in Rwanda. It's one of its kind, nothing but 3D printing. With Westerwelle, where they cooperated with one of the biggest companies in the world called Evonik. Can you read this? So Evonik really gave us an opportunity to learn about how to use Maker 2, which is the 3D printing you'll be seeing in a couple minutes, and I'll be creating something, and you will see what I'll be creating in the end. You've been seeing how this machine been operating, and this is what I've created so far. This is my prototype. As you can see, this is what the machine been creating, and so far this is what we came up with. You can see it's very strong. The material is PLA,